Okay, so I got some cold water with some hydrogen peroxide in here, and some hot water with hydrogen peroxide in here. We're gonna see a difference in explosions. I put this hydrogen peroxide right here, bells. Oh, and also there's dish soap in both of them, same amount of this dish soap. And I'm gonna do the cold one first. The hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen slowly, and if you put yeast in it, it will let out oxygen a lot quicker, and with dish soap, it will make bubbles, and it should look quite cool if I've done this correct. Oh no. This one, as you can see, it's quite slow. It's quite slow, but there is a lot of bubbles. But if I put yeast to the hot one, should react a lot faster. As you can see, it's going up a lot. It's growing a lot faster, and it's growing pretty much at the same height though. To see if I could make it more crazy, I have another one here, which has got slightly more dish soap and some vinegar to see if it will explode a lot more. So I got the same amount of yeast. Seems like it's growing a lot faster as I thought it would, but it's not growing at the height of the other ones. This one's about to overflow, the hot one. But my hypothesis was incorrect because this has not grown that much. Cut.